Today's lesson will be talking about how to use memories for sources, how to convert a memory to a source. So for example, I'm looking in the family tree and I want to go to memories, and I'm going to go to memories and to galleries, and I have a memory out here that I would like to add as a source for a marriage. And so if I click here, this particular, let's see, I'm in the wrong, you'll see I have a lot of folders here. In this folder here, I have a bunch of images of different trees that I've copied. And this particular one provides the death and the marriage, or the birth and the marriage, and the date they were married right here. And so I want to use this as a marriage source. So what I do in this case, I already have the source, this memory in my system in memories. So I'm going to go to Joachim Tusha. Anyway, that's why I pronounce it. Go to his personal record. And then when I get to his record, I'll go to the couples relationship. So I click on family, and then I click on the edit symbol to edit this relationship. So then I can see, here's where I can edit these various things. Now this already tells me that they were married before this, and I want to add a source for this. So I'm going to go and add a source. So I'm adding a source. And here, I want to add it from my memories. So I click on add a memory. So I click the add the memory. And the memory is already in the gallery. So I'm going to select it from the gallery. So I click select from gallery. Select this. And now it's going to show me the gallery. Now I remember that where that picture was down here in my Fleshting in here, and it was the first entry in that one. So I click on here, and it says now, since I've highlighted, I say, yeah, I want to attach that. So I click on attach. Now notice, it took the title of my memory and put it in the source, and it brought the image here, and down here it tells me where I can add why I'm adding it and so forth. And I explain the reason I want to do this is this provides the date and place of their marriage. So now I can click it here, and I don't want to add it to my source box. So I'll click save. And now I have the memory has become also a source. And that's what this little symbol here means. This source comes from the memories. So if I click on this, it will show me this memory, and then I can go to that memory. So that's how you can easily use memories for sources. And so when I click here, I can now see, oh, that's where this information came from. But the interesting thing about this is the marriage data there, we'll look and see, now that I'm looking at it, and here it shows, they say they were married before 1680 in Fleshtingen. Too much.